Analysis of BTC price. Welcome to Paradise. BTC price action is now retesting its key 200-week moving average after holding it as support since March. BTC neared 2-month lows on May 12 amid fears that a head and shoulders pattern would put bears ahead. Data showed BTC USD reaching $26,100 on Bitstamp, its lowest since March 17. Despite encouraging macroeconomic conditions for risk assets, Bitcoin failed to capitalize on the potential for gains as bid liquidity headed lower. A chart uploaded the day before showed principal buy support now around $25,750, with BTC USD eating liquidity higher overnight. On daily timeframes, concerns among market participants thus focused on whether the pair would now stay lower after 3 local tops. This head and shoulders pattern, now clearly visible on the chart, would create a negative precedent should it confirm. Multiple traders were already looking for a deeper retracement to $25,000 or lower. Relative Strength Index (RSI) readings were not serving sellers well on low timeframes. Bitcoin nuked straight through support. Next major zone of interest is around 24 to 25K. While the price has been falling, the long-short ratio has diverged, with long positions now prevalent. Additional data put the long-short ratio at 58.7% long at the time of writing on May 12.